everyone, Kristen and Steph here from Anna's. As we are ramping up our 2018 season, we just want to make sure that you guys don't miss a thing. So,
with Facebook's ever-changing algorithms, we want to make sure you're completely updated, so we made a short little video on how to see our content on Facebook and Instagram. Check it out!
Okay, so first we are going to show you how to go about this on Facebook from your desktop. Search for Anna's Flowers in the top search bar, select our page, then click on Following, and switch from Default to See First. Now on your tablet or mobile device, you would again search for Anna's Flowers in the search bar, select our page, then click on Following, and again switch from Default to See First. Turn on Get Notifications if you wish. You also have the option to personalize which types of content you wish to see, such as posts, events, and live videos. Selecting all three ensures you will always be in the know when it comes to workshops, promotions, new arrivals, and sales. When it comes to Instagram, it largely comes down to the more you engage, the more you see. On our Instagram page, you can turn on post notifications to get alerts anytime we post. To do so, click the three little dots in the right-hand corner, select Turn on Post Notification, and happy scrolling!